How I made $4,505 by sitting at my desk and looking at a camera. Okay, I'm going to go through exactly how I did this in today's video and how you can implement the steps and do it yourself. Okay, so yeah, let's just get straight into it, and here's just some proof of concept that I'm not lying. Here's the actual invoice, well, not the invoice, the payment, but let me just because I covered the email up and the name, so let me just try and move it a little bit to show you it's actually real. So as you can see, it's real, and I don't want to show you the whole email because I'll be giving away my client's email, which I don't want to do. But anyway, this method hasn't just worked for me. I want to show you more proof of concept. This is a guy I helped for free. So for free, I gave him free advice. I helped him for free. He closed one. He booked in a call from YouTube, and he has 7 subscribers, and they're big time in America, they said. And also he closed them for 3.5k. And he said he was sold after watching my 10-minute video. And also I helped this guy again. This is on a different account. This is his personal account. This is his business account. I made him another 3k as well. So I made this guy 6.5k for free. So I had this comment on my video, are your testimonials fake? Let me just show you the actual Instagram message that he sent me. So as you can see, I'm scrolling about on it. Okay, scrolling about on it. Mate just had book calls. I have 7 subscribers. If we close them, we're working together. And let me show you the other one. And as you can see, yo, again, I'm scrolling about on it. Yo, just keeping you posted. Took action. It helped me close a 3k client. Okay, so they're real. Okay, I just screenshotted them from my actual Instagram profile. So just so you think, because someone commented on my last video, was like, oh, the testimonial's fake. I was like, bro, how can I even fake a testimonial? How's that even a thing? But anyway, also some more results. One of my clients, 5k in 6 days, and also 4k in 5 days. Okay, so just proof of concept that it actually works, and so you don't think I'm chatting shit. Okay, so what is this secret method? And what you're probably doing right now, as an online coach, you're probably stuck sending cold DMs every day, getting 0 appointments, and you're wondering, how are these people like me getting wins like this? But I've been there. Okay, I remember sending 5,000 cold messages, getting some replies, but most of them were people telling me to F off. I know you've been in that situation as well. Just literally looking at your phone. On my day, someone's replied to me, but it's someone telling you to F off. I've been there. Okay, so I wanna make sure you never have to send a cold message ever again, and you still get clients, and you still get high ticket clients coming to you. Okay, so if I'm not sending cold messages, how am I getting attention onto my offer and building up trust with those people to close them? Just think about it for a second. The people you watch and buy from, what are they doing to get your attention? Just think about that for a minute. Okay, what are they doing to get your attention? And I don't know why you don't see this. Okay, you don't think in your mind, okay, these people are doing that, why don't I do it myself? Okay, exactly. They have some sort of personal brand. And I say some sort of personal brand because even the smaller creators are making a lot of money with their offer because they have some sort of personal brand. Like me. Okay, I have 700 subscribers, I think, and 900 followers in Instagram. Okay, and just look at everyone. Okay, look at all this. They're all, notice one thing as well, they're all raw and authentic. They're all above kind of like an hour, most of them anyway. Okay, well, this isn't. But yeah, these are all longer videos, and raw and authentic videos on YouTube are killing it right now. Okay, so you need to get on YouTube. Okay, yeah, notice how they all have a YouTube. Okay, so all of your favorite gurus, everyone who's making a lot of money with their offer, they all have a YouTube. And this is because it's longer form content. It's nurturing people. It's building up trust with people. They're kind of seeing into your life, and they're seeing you for a longer period of time, which builds up the real amount of trust. But first, how do we get attention to even be able to nurture those people? So I don't actually like to use YouTube to get more attention. Of course, it's going to get more attention. That's inevitable. And that's completely fine, because YouTube's algorithm is really good. It goes to the right people that you actually want to reach. It's so good. And when someone watches your video once, it keeps getting pushed out to them. Have you ever noticed you've been on one video. So for example, the other day I went on a video of the Peaky Blinders, and now I just get recommended Peaky Blinders, the series, on my YouTube like straight away, because I've like watched one video, not even 30 seconds into the video. That's how good the YouTube algorithm is, okay? And you've probably clicked on this video from that as well. It's been on your feed, or you've seen me post it on my story, but the algorithm is so good, and you're going to keep getting my videos now. So anyway, how to get attention. What I like to use short form platforms to get attention, because it's much simpler to get attention, and I also run a simple ad. Okay, so what I like to do is post short form content. I'll go through the kind of like strategy here, but I also run an ad, and this ad is just to get more targeted attention, because relying on algorithms isn't always good, okay? So especially for short form, and especially on Instagram at the moment, okay? So the Instagram reach is down a lot, but I do focus on Instagram, but I run a simple ad, and this ad is optimizing for the follow. You've probably seen them all over your feed. You've probably seen everyone do it, and this is because they work, okay? You're going to spend $15 to $30 a day. Testing, you can even do $10, see if it works for you, see if the creative works, and this is going to get more targeted people onto your page. And I've been testing this out. I've turned my ads off, okay? I've turned my ads off to test this out. When I had my ads on, because I have a link in my bio to go over to the next stage of my funnel, which is YouTube. I tested this out, so I had my ads on, and I was getting every day 64 people were going over to my YouTube, which is incredible because they're getting nurtured, okay? I turned my ads off, and now I'm only getting 3 people a day. That's insane if you think about it, okay? So ads are really good for this. So make sure you have ads, and I'm definitely going to turn them on again soon. I just want to make sure this test is fair, because I did have the ads on for a little bit, for like a couple weeks, so I want to make sure it's fair. But anyway, yeah, run an ad 100% recommend you run an ad. But yeah, I focus on Instagram, and this is kind of like this strategy, and I use ManyChat as leverage, which you'll understand in a minute. So I post 5 videos a week directed to my ideal clients. So you really need to get your messaging dialed for these. You need to understand your ideal clients' pains. You need to understand what they really want, why they want it. Just understand them really well and get your messaging dialed in. Know who you're speaking to a T. So what I would do is I post 5 videos a week directed to my ideal client, giving them tips and tricks, speaking directly to them, understanding their pains, relating to their pains, making them feel like they're understood, and also showing them that I've been through the same thing and I overcame it with the process that I sell, okay? And then 2 videos a week. So I post 7 days a week, and I post 2 videos a week that are entertainment and viral. Well, I'm trying to go viral. The algorithm on Instagram is terrible right now, but just entertainment, lifestyle, personal kind of content. It is a personal brand after all. So 2 videos a week like that, and 3 out of the 5 of the valuable videos I use the ManyChat sequence. So what you need to do is make sure you have a free training already, and this free training will be a video sales letter, and I will speak about this in a minute, but this is going to be a video sales letter. When someone comments the keyword you said for them to comment, it's going to send them over that training automatically, but before that it's going to ask them for their email, and this means you're going to get their email, okay? So it's going to do two things. It's going to get people's emails, and it's also going to send them over the free training, which can nurture them, okay? And maybe even booking calls, because the main point of a video sales letter is to put people on calls, okay? So 3 out of the 5, say at the end something with a call to action. Just be like, comment the word keyword, and I'll send you over an hour and a half free training, or however long the training is going over. Then speak about their desired outcome, okay? So what I can do now is I can nurture with email, okay? I can send them email campaigns, and you don't have to be an expert copywriter, okay? I want to make this clear. You don't have to be a copywriter at all, okay? All I do is offer my offer, okay? I send clients results, I promote my YouTube videos whenever I post one, and I just give value. That's all I do on my emails, okay? You don't have to be a pro copywriter, okay? And then I can also post more YouTube content to nurture. So I post raw and authentic videos. I post attention content. So attention content is using people within my industry as leverage to get attention. So the title may be something like E-Man Guardsy is a scammer or something like that. I don't know, just to get attention, purely to get attention. And then I post nurturing content, and this is positioning my process as the best process. So going through my process like I'm going through right now, okay, but this one's kind of like a social proof content because I showed you results at the start. But nurturing content is always speaking about your process, why it's the best, going through your process, why they need it to get from point A to point B. And then social proof content, which is going through clients' results, hopping on interviews, and also just going through clients' results in detail, okay? But again, the first YouTube video I want you to create is a video sales letter. And the main goal of this video is to provide value and get book calls. And what you need to do is speak about your story within this video, implement loads of results, so loads of social proof, rub salt in the wounds of a problem because they probably already realize they have a problem, okay? You're gonna introduce your solution or speak more about your solution. Then at the end, you're simply gonna add in more social proof, then offer a call, okay? Offer a call, and I like to give value within these video sales letters, and I know you've probably seen most video sales letters being 4 to like 7 minutes long. I like this video sales letter to be a pure like training video, so I like them to be like 30 to 40 minutes long. So I create one specific one of these, and you can create multiple VSLs if you really want to. Most of my videos are kind of positioned as VSLs because they're selling them on the call, but anyway, just create one specific one at the start, and what you're going to do is put this in the link of your Instagram bio. Make sure you use something called link twin, so link tw.in. This means you can track your links. So as you can see, I can track who's clicked on my link. As I said, I've turned my ads off, so only 3 people were today already, and it's normally at like 50 already. So that's why I'm going to have to turn them back on 100%. But I thought, to be fair, sometimes you think your ads aren't working, but then you see the difference and you're like, okay, they definitely are working. But this will be the first video people watch. It will get book calls. If it doesn't book calls, just simply repeat the YouTube video process. So keep posting YouTube videos, post the attention, the nurturing, the social proof content, and eventually they're going to get nurtured enough to book in a call, because again, the YouTube algorithm is very good. It's going to keep on getting pushed out to them. They're going to see your stories whenever you post a story on your Instagram. They're going to go over to your YouTube. Whenever you send emails, they're going to go over to YouTube if you have their email, and everything like that. Okay, so you're just going to keep nurturing them, and they're only going to book in calls when they're ready. And this means you're only going to get qualified booked calls. Okay, so you're going to get book calls through email, you're going to get book calls through YouTube, you're going to get book calls through your video sales letter. And there's also another way you can get book calls. So the more book calls, the better, okay? So you can reach out to anyone who interacts with your short form content. Okay, what you're going to do is find out if they qualify, find out where they're at right now, find out where they want to get to, find out what they're doing to get there, and find out if it's working. Then simply offer the call, and along the way they're going to reveal pain points which you can use as leverage to get them on a call. So you just want to get them on a call. You don't want to be like, pay me to help you implement this. You just want to get them on a call so you can give them value on the call and also sell them on what you sell. Okay, a lot of you are not patient enough to reap the rewards. Okay, and I want to make sure you know consistency is key with this, especially personal branding. And don't think this will happen within the click of your fingers. You need to put in the work with the social media content, and the more value you provide for free, the more clients you will get. And I want you to think long term and the compounding effect. On my TikTok page, which I got to like 22k, I posted for a year without any results, without any like videos that went off. But then one got to 1.2 million views, and then it just all compounded. I was getting 10 million views a month on that TikTok account. Okay, so just think long term with this. as well. And again, I want to make sure you know views do not matter. That was just an example. Okay, so just be consistent with it. But I guarantee if you put in the work and you actually try and implement what I just showed you and go all in on kind of like YouTube especially, you will be able to turn your personal brand into a sales machine. Okay, I guarantee that. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you're interested in working one-to-one with me and turning your personal brand into a sales machine, we'll help you implement all this. We do bits for you. If you're interested in that, just simply book a call with the link down below. If you want a 5-hour masterclass going over this in more detail, it's free. Click the link down below and you can access that. And if you want to join a community where we speak about this on a daily and have weekly masterclasses and one-to-one access to me, you can join it with the link down below. Hope you got some value from this video. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.